Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. Today we are going to solve chapter number 5 of grade 12. First of all, I want to solve of this exercise question number 1, fifth part and sixth part. Question number 1, fifth and sixth part. The particular reason to solve its fifth and the sixth part, first of all, I want to explain if the question is having a single variable, then how to solve. In this chapter, we have to discuss about the graph or the solution of inequality. Whose solution? Solution of inequality. Because when the sign of equal remove, then this sign used for inequality. So in this chapter, we will discuss about the solution of inequality. But first we want to solve the solution of inequality when the variable is a single, not two variables, because here variable x is only involved. Here only y involved. X and y both are not combined. That's why first we will solve the single variable of inequality, right? What is the first step to solve this equation? This inequality. The first step, remove this sign and use a sign of equality. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Even less than or greater than, no issue. You have just remove and apply the sign of equality. After that, then find the value of x. 2x, 1 is shifting other side. So what will become? Minus 1. X must be single on the left hand side. So what we have to do the next step? Good. 2 is dividing on the other side. So x is equal to minus 1 over 2. Right? Leave it here. So I will also start to solve the second part also. The same procedure. First step. Even here the greater sign. Here less sign. You have to remove and apply the sign of equality. Then we will draw the graph. 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. After that we have to make y single. We have to make y single on the left hand side. So what we have to do the step? So we have to do the next step, shifting 4 on other side. 4 is shifted. After that y should be alone. So what is the next step? Yes, good. Dividing by 3. So y is equal to 4 over 3. 4 over 3. You can write that 0.75. 4 by 3. Yes, 0.75. Just check first this value. 4 over 3. What's coming answer? 1.25. 4 divided by 3. Yeah, 1.33. 1.33. Correct? We have to take these values on a graph paper, and how to take these values on a graph paper. Then after that, we have to start the solution of this one. So x is equal to minus 1 over 2. Then after that, you have to check that one. After that, you have to check where is the value of x negative. That is rectangular coordinate system. Its origin, positive side is right hand side is the positive of x-axis, left hand side negative, upper side positive, lower side y dash denoted by the negative values of the y-axis, which you have already studied that one. Now we have to take the value x is equal to minus 1 over 2. Minus 1 over 2 means that minus 0.5. So minus 0.5, one thing keep in your mind. If the value is only x-axis, the line is parallel to the y-axis. The line is parallel to y-axis. If the value is given by the y, only single variable, the line is parallel to x-axis. Correct? The first step. Now x is equal to minus 0.5. Where is the value of minus 0.5? That is the value of the origin. This is origin, and this value is minus 1. So between both of them, the minus 0.5 will be here. So the line will be parallel to the y-axis, and we have to draw like that. Just wait. Yes, like that. You can see this is the value of like this value is equal to parallel to this, and write the name of this value. What is this equation? The name of this equation is equal to x is equal to minus half. So you will write above or below any place, because here I wrote value 5, I will write 5 here. So x is equal to minus half, right? When you will write x is equal to minus half here, then after that again come on this value inequality and check this inequality is true or false. Put the testing point. Testing point, mostly we are taking origin. Mostly we are taking origin because it's one side is having origin and one side is having other than origin. So we will check that its solution is this side or this side. So we have to shade it that portion. So if we will check that the condition of this inequality, come here. So like put the value of origin in the place of x or y. So when you are putting here testing, two in the place of origin value of x 0 plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Here we will get the answer 1, which is greater than or equal to 0. Is it true or false? True mean 1 is greater than 0 or not? Good, 1 is greater than 0. So that condition is true. If this condition is true, it means that you have to shaded the portion. Which portion you have to shaded? That one, origin side. This is the origin side, so you have to shaded this one. As you can. That is our solution. Right? You understand? So in the same way, if we will take this value, first of all I need another graph. So I will make the graph for you. That is x dash, y dash, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. What is the value of this one? 1.33. It means that 1 and 2, it's 1.33 around this point. So the line is parallel to x-axis. So first I will write here. So this line, the value of this line is, what is the value of this? Y is equal to 4 over 3. So you will write here y is equal to 4 over 3. Y is equal to 4 over 3. After that, again testing. When you will do the testing, so use this value, inequality again. So 3y, put the value of y of the origin. Origin we will use that the testing point. What is the value of y in origin? 0. Good. So 3 into 0 minus 4 less than or equal to 0. So minus 4 is less than 0. Minus 4 is less than 0. Is this true or false? True. Good. If it's true, so which portion we have to shaded? Origin side. Good. So we have to shaded the origin side is this one, so we have to shaded it. That is our solution. But one thing I want to explain you, here in both inequality you can see that the sign of equality is given. Equal sign is also given. If this symbol or this equality sign is given, then the line will be the solid line. If this sign is not given here, like that one, only less, so this line is the dotted line, because this line is not including, but in both questions it's given that the sign of equality, so we have to take this sign in such a way that the solid line. Again I repeat the step. First step, what we have to do that, remove this sign of equality, find the value of x or y, which variable is given. That if x is given, then find the value of x. If the y is given, then find the value of y. Draw the line. If the variable is x, the line is parallel to y axis. If the variable is only y involved, the line is parallel to x axis. Draw the line. Then testing point, testing, we are taking origin. Put the value of origin. If the condition is true, shaded the origin side. If the condition is false, then shaded the other side of the origin. Is that clear? Good. Now in next topic I will explain if the two variables arises in inequality, then how to solve.